Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make wine using an easy method. First, gather your essential equipment, including a primary fermenter, an airlock, and a hydrometer. Next, select about 10 to 15 pounds of ripe, blemish-free fruit, such as grapes or berries. Thoroughly sanitize all your equipment to prevent unwanted bacteria. Finally, crush or press your chosen fruit to extract the juice, also known as the must, into your primary fermenter. This initial step is crucial for a successful batch. Now, let's prepare your must for fermentation. Use a hydrometer to measure the sugar content and add about 2 to 3 pounds of sugar per gallon to reach your target alcohol level, typically around 10 to 12%. Adjust the acidity if needed, aiming for a pH between 3.2 and 3.5 for balanced flavor. Next, rehydrate and pitch your chosen wine yeast, which will convert the sugars into alcohol. Finally, seal your primary fermenter with an airlock to allow carbon dioxide to escape while keeping oxygen out. Primary fermentation will typically last for about 5 to 7 days, during which the yeast actively converts sugars. You'll notice bubbling from the airlock. Once this activity slows significantly, it's time for the first racking. Carefully transfer the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, leaving behind the thick layer of sediment, or lees. Continue secondary fermentation for several weeks to a few months. You might rack the wine 1 or 2 more times to ensure clarity. Before bottling, you'll want to stabilize your wine to prevent any unwanted fermentation in the bottle. This often involves adding a small amount of sulfite and sorbate. If you prefer a crystal clear wine, you can filter it at this stage. Now, it's time to bottle your creation. Use clean, sterilized bottles and fill them, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork or cap them securely. Finally, store your bottled wine horizontally in a cool, dark place, ideally at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, for proper aging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.